Mr. President, distinguished members of the Human Rights Council, ladies and gentlemen, this statement is made on behalf of the Australian Human Rights Commission, Australia's A-status national human rights institution. Following Australia's Universal Periodic Review appearance in 2011, the Commission committed to publishing an annual implementation report of our fourth annual report, and this was published late last year. The Commission has welcomed a number of positive developments over the past 12 months. We applaud the Government of Australia for its continued support of the National Disability Insurance Scheme, the appointment of a full-time Human Rights Commissioner, and the launch of a National Action Plan to combat trafficking and slavery. The Parliamentary Committee on Human Rights, the so-called Scrutiny Committee, has continued to play a critical role in the protection of human rights in Australia by analysing proposed legislation for compatibility with Australia's human rights obligations. However, Australia has fully implemented only 11% of the UPR recommendations that it had earlier accepted, whole or in part. There remain substantial weaknesses in Australia's human rights protections. There's been limited implementation of many actions contained in Australia's National Action Plan on Human Rights, and Australia has still not ratified the optional protocol for the Convention Against Torture. Australia's policies in relation to refugees and asylum seekers continue to present challenges. Legislation introduced over the past year has further reduced the rights of asylum seekers and refugees under Australian law. Australia's second review is scheduled to take place in November this year. We very much look forward to continuing our constructive work with the Australian Government to implement the recommendations of the first review and to prepare for the coming second review. Thank you very much.